Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today we are considering the topic IONS. If you've been enjoying my videos and you would like to get more of my videos, please subscribe, press the notification bell and also like my video. Thank you. Now, considering the topic IONS, there is a difference between IONS and ion. Ion is just like a metal. Now, IONS, the term ions is formed from atoms. Now, an element contains atoms. That is, atoms are found inside an element. Now, when an element or the atom of an element has not reacted by losing electron, because they usually lose electron or gain electron. When an element has not given out electron, that's by losing, or gained electron, it is neutral and it is called atoms. Don't forget, atom is inside an element. Now, so an element is made up of an atom. But by the time the atoms of such elements start losing or gaining electrons, they change from being an atom, they change to ions. So ions usually have charges, that is, they have numbers and sign on them. That's like a superscript. Now, when an element gives out electrons, it becomes positively charged. So you will see a number and then a positive sign. The number represents the number of electrons given out. Why is it that when an element gives out electrons, it becomes positively charged? I thought you might be wondering, but the element is losing. It's supposed to be minus. No. As it's losing something negative, just like getting rid of bad things. You are adding to yourself. So when an element loses electrons, which is negative, electron is actually naturally negative. When it is given out, that element or that atoms of an element becomes positively charged. Now, that's one type of an ion. Then another ion is negative ions. Now, I'm not going to tell you their names now until I until I finalize my explanation. Now, when an ion gains electron, don't forget, electron is just like a particle in an atom that is negative naturally. So when an element gains electron, it becomes what? Negatively charged, because it's adding something negative to itself. Now, what do we call these types of ion? The ones that becomes positively charged from an atom that is neutral, after losing, it becomes positively charged. It's called cations. That is cathode ions. Now, the ones that gain electrons is called anions. So watch out for my videos on formation of ions, how these ions are actually formed, a detailed explanation of how they are formed. Don't forget, we've been able to learn the difference between an atom and an ion. An ion is charged, whether positive or negative, while an atom is neutral. Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today we are considering a topic, compound. If you've been enjoying my video and you would like to get more interesting topics, you can subscribe, press the notification bell, and also like my video. It is very, very important so that you can follow my teachings. Now, today we are considering the topic, compound. What is a compound? A compound is made up of two or more elements chemically combined. That is, inside a compound, you can get elements, two or more. If it is only one element that is inside a substance, we don't call it a compound. Now, a compound contains two or more elements chemically combined together. And if you would like to learn more about elements, you can click on the links below on symbols of elements. Now, look at this compound, sodium chloride. If you look closely at this compound, you will see sodium and chlorine. This contains two elements, so this is a compound. Now look at another compound here, magnesium tetraoxide sulfate 6. This is magnesium, this is sulfur, and this is oxygen. So this is a compound that is made up of three elements altogether, but we have more than 3 atoms inside it. So if you would like to learn more about compounds, atoms, naming compounds, how compounds are formed, and atoms, please follow the link below. Click on the link below, and don't forget, subscribe to my channel to get more interesting topics.